So hey friends, I'm here drinking and hanging out in this nice site close to Brighton. And this is the Seven Sister area east from Brighton. So this is actually a nice stretch of coastline. We just passed a town that was actually known for having a lot of whiskey smuggling. And if you see over there, there's like a nice side of a river, and this is the South Downs. In that direction, it's really close to the coast. So this is part of these 5 ports, the sunk ports, from a time where there were a lot of. It was very important to have a well-defended coastline against invasions from the mainland Europe and from continental Europe. Another interesting feature about this area is that there's a lot of Londoners who come here to just commit suicide, and the cliff is really close to us. It's in that direction, and just because of the amount of the high incidence of suicides, it's basically a cliff, kind of like the Seven Sisters, and there's a rocky bottom. There has been a lot more guards in the area just to prevent more fatalities.